What is going on, y'all? We just returned from the Savage Retreat, the Mud Run meetup with expert guest Dr. Jaime Seeman. It was a blast. There was a small, intimate group of us. We had a rock-solid freaking Airbnb that was there at the ranch for the weekend. We ate a ton of great food, and we all competed together as a team at the Austin Tough Mudder. We all had a super great time collectively as a unit. The camaraderie was there, which is why we do these in the first place. We want to just create experiences for people that lend themselves to building meaningful relationships. That's what these retreats are all about. If you hadn't yet figured it out, it's pretty obvious that we have a lot of fun together. You got to be there to experience it firsthand. You want to enjoy it to the maximum. Keep in mind, we're going to be doing these retreats on a somewhat quarterly basis. Typically, they're going to be a different location each time, a different expert speaker each time, different genre, theme, and focus each time. But we will let y'all know when the next one is coming. We've got, I believe, an entrepreneurial themed retreat in the pipeline. So if that interests you, definitely stay tuned. They'll be posted at ketobodybuilding.com. I'll be talking about them on my newsletters and on social and all that good stuff. So if you are interested in these retreats, of which I'd love to have you, stay tuned and we'll keep you posted on when the next one's coming.